Hello everybody, this is Rabbi Gershom Francis, and you're listening to Teiras HaArizal. Here we'll talk about the kavanos of the Arizal for Chil, Shabbos, and Yomim Tovim. This shir is dedicated in the memory of my father, Rabbi Yisrael Menachem Mendel ben Avraham Olav Hashalom. You can now dedicate a shir in the honor of a loved one by supporting the shir on Spotify. We hope you enjoy. L'shem Yichud, Kudshabrichu, Ushchinte. The students of the Arizal explained the Havdalah is a unique time to perform a hashbah. A hashbah is when we swear or bind a malach by certain kochos or certain tfilos. Normally, we don't get involved in this. But this hashbah, this binding, is brought down in many sidurim, and there's a Masorah for it. It's brought down in Siddur Rashi, Machzor Vitri, and many, many more. Again, this is something which is normally forbidden, but for this hashbah, we have a Masorah. And after all, it's for the sake of Avodas Hashem. It's called the hashbah of Zechira, the hashbah of memory. And it's done in order to strengthen our memory and to remove forgetfulness. The hashbah is on the malach of shicha, the malach of forgetfulness, called pura, and some say puta. And this is in order to nullify the malach of shicha through the bracha of wine. Now you may ask the shaila, why do we have the koach to perform this hashbah now by Bori Pri Hagafen of Havdalah? The meaning of this is as follows. As we know, there are 4 worlds. These worlds are controlled by Shem Havaya, which is given over in different forms. In Atzilus, it's Shem Havaya De'av, Shem Havaya that equals 72. In Bria, it's Shem Havaya Desag, the Shem of Hashem that equals 63. In Yetzirah, it's Shem Havaya Dema, the name of Hashem, which equals up to 45. And in Asiyah, the lowest world, it's Shem Havaya Deben, Shem Havaya that equals up to 52. Now the bracha of wine in Havdalah is within the koyach of Olam HaAtzilus. During the bracha, have in mind to draw down B'koyach Shem Havaya De'av, the name of Hashem that equals 72, and by the bracha of Besamim, we draw on the koyach of Shem Havaya Desag, the name of Hashem that has to do with Olam Habriya, the world of the Kisei HaKavod. Next is the bracha Borei Merei Ha'esh. This bracha is Keneged Olam HaMalachim, the world of HaKadosh Baruch Hu's Merkava, which is Olam Yetzirah, the world of Malachim. In this bracha, we draw on the koyach of Shem Havaya Dema, the name of Hashem that equals 45. And finally, the last bracha of Hamavdil is Keneged Olam Ha'asiyah, where we draw on the koyach of Shem Havaya Deben, the Shem Havaya that equals 52. Now we can understand what does the hashbah, the binding of the malach to enhance memory, have to do with the bracha of wine. It says, Ein shicha lifnei kisei chavodecha. There is no forgetfulness above the level of the Kisei HaKavod. The level of the Kisei HaKavod is Olam Habriya. Above the level of the Kisei HaKavod is Olam HaAtzilus, where there's never shicha, there's never the koyach of shicha, which is forgetfulness. Forgetfulness is a product of Keli and Sitra Achra, which be'ikr take hold in Olam Habriya. The Ari HaKodesh mentions elsewhere that a telltale sign of a high neshama is if they have a very good memory. Shicha comes from mochen dekatnus, small-mindedness, represented by having chachma, bina, and das, all as shemos of Elokim. The younger a child is, the less developed their memory, even though that their learning capability is very strong. This is shown within the name of the malach that we bind, called Pura. Pu, which is Pei Vav, is the gematria of Shem Elokim, 86. And Ra, Reish Hey, is also connected to Shem Elokim as follows. Reish is Elokim spelled out in the Ribua form, spelling it out letter by letter. Aleph, Aleph Lamed, Aleph Lamed K, Aleph Lamed K Yud, Aleph Lamed K Yud Mem. That's Shem Elokim B'Ribua. And the Hey stands for the 5 letters of Shem Elokim itself. That's Pu, Ra. So we have the gematria of Elokim, which is Pu, the spelling of Elokim B'Ribua, which is Reish, and the Hey, which comes to spell the 5 letters of Shem Elikim itself. That's how you see how this Malach's name is intrinsically connected to Shemas of Elikim and small-mindedness, Mochen de Katnos. So we concentrate on abolishing the influence of this Malach by diminishing the name of its Sheresh. The name of its Sheresh is Armimas, and within this Hashbah, we diminish this name by a continuous extraction pattern. In this pattern, each word is formed in a progression by removing one character from the original word. The pattern continues until the word's mas remains. In other words, armimas, rimimas, mimas, yimas, mas. Once we get to that part of the name, there's only mas left. Mas is also the letters of Samech Mem, which equal 100. On the level of 100, on the gematria of 100, Shicha still has hold. So we have to nullify that too until there's only a Samech left. Only the single character remains. And that's how we're mavatal the Sheresh and the Makor of Pura by diminishing the Sheresh, which is called Armimas. In another Masorah, the Malach of Shicha is called Puta. Pei Vav Tes Hey. This is the gematria of 100 itself. The Agar de Kala explained that the koyach of the Samech Mem and the name Samech Mem itself is also the gematria of 100. And even though when we spell out the name of Samech Mem, which is the left side, what we say in Hebrew Shmuel, it has a kale in it. Even though it has kale in it, which is a godly name, the rest of the name is still Samech Mem, and that's 100. So this means that even if a person learns something 100 times, they are still connected to this koyach of Shicha. However, if they learn something 101 times, the Agar de Kala explains that you bring about the koyach of Malach Michal, and this diminishes the koyach of Shicha influenced by Puta. Now let's continue. We have in mind that the word Havdalah is the gematria of the Miloi Shem Av of Atzilus. The word Havdalah is the gematria 46. That's the Miloi, the filling of Shem Av, the filling of 72, the name of Shem Havaya, which is Sherlet in Olam Hoatzilus. While we're making the first bracha of Ber Pri Hagafen, we have in mind that that bracha is Keneged Shem Av, which is Olam Hoatzilus. We're drawing on the Shem Havaya from Olam Hoatzilus, which is Shem Havaya de Av, the name of Hashem that equals 72. And with this, the filling, the way this name of Shem Havaya de Av is spelt, if you look at the filling of it, the Miloi equals 46. 46 is the same gematria of Havdalah itself, the word Havdalah. And since the way to abolish Shicha is through drawing on Kochos of Atzilos, we make the Hashbah to diminish the effect of this Malach right when we're about to make the bracha of Ber Pri Hagafen, which is Keneged Olam Atzilos. Before we're making the bracha of Ber Pri Hagafen and drawing on the Kochos of Atzilus, the Shem Havaya de Av, the name of Hashem that equals 72, we have in mind to abolish the Malach of Shicha, which takes hold from the world of Bria, a lower level. And we abolish this Malach by drawing down Kochos from Olam Hoatzilus. Ein Shicha lifnei chisei chavedecha. And because of this, the first thing we think about is abolishing the koach of Shicha by drawing down from Kochos of Atzilus. And the word Havdalah itself is connected to Shem Havaya de Av, because if you look at the Miloi Shem Havaya de Av, it is, in fact, the gematria of 46. So the main aspect of Havdalah is drawing down from the highest world of Atzilus. And it's from this very world where we draw down the koach to nullify Shicha, forgetfulness.